there is no defendant in the. I'm the defendant in the case. Am I the defendant in the case? There's no victim. There's no victim to my crime. Correct.
You have drug charges: possession of methamphetamine, possession of paraphernalia, and driving while suspended are your 3 charges.
Yeah, but no victim. Correct.
Good afternoon. Your name, sir?
David Walker.
Your Honor, it looks like he has 2 files.
I see that. All right, we'll next take up 2 cases, both entitled State of Kansas versus David Wayne Walker, 22 CR 398 and 22 CR 508.
Welcome back, guys. Today's courtroom circus features another sovereign citizen who clearly thinks YouTube law beats real law. The dude strolls in like it's a TED Talk, not a courtroom, spouting nonsense about being above the system. I honestly can't tell if he's trolling or if he genuinely believes this stuff. Part of me wants to feel bad, but if he were truly out of it, the judge wouldn't treat him like a normal defendant. So yeah, he's just deep in sovereign citizen fantasy land. And spoiler alert, declaring yourself a living man doesn't erase traffic laws. What do you guys think? Is he clueless or just playing dumb for attention? Drop your thoughts below, smash that like button, and let's dive in.
First, take up 22 CR 508. This is my case, Mr. Walker. You failed to appear in front of me on July 17th for your preliminary hearing control docket. Where were you that day?
It's safe for sure, sir.
Okay, well, I issued a bench warrant bond forfeiture and set a new bond in the amount of $10,000 cash or surety. Are you still representing yourself?
Yes, sir.
You want to continue representing yourself?
Look at me. I'm not looking at you. I'm looking at the paper. Yes, sir. Don't have any money to.
Pardon?
Yes, I guess I'll represent myself.
Okay, you understand that if you can't afford to hire an attorney, one would be appointed for you.
I don't know what he would do for me.
Okay, well, he could provide you legal advice and perhaps advance any defenses you may have had, but if you want to represent yourself, you have that right. I just want to make sure you understand that if you can't afford an attorney and would like to have one represented you, I would appoint one for you. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And you wish to continue representing yourself?
Yes, sir.
The docket notes don't reflect if a waiver of counsel was ever signed. Do you have any notes that would reflect that he's waived counsel on the record or otherwise, Ms. Norris?
Your Honor, I just note that on December 30th of 2022, defendant stated that he would hire his own counsel, and then he had a failure to appear. And on May 5th, we did not appoint any counsel. I don't show an actual waiver. And the notes don't reflect that he did a waiver on the record. It just says that he would hire his own attorney.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
Mr. Walker, you've indicated here on the record that you wish to waive your right to an attorney and represent yourself. So I'm going to have you, if the jail has one, sign a waiver of counsel. Do you have a form?
I believe so.
All right. Can you read through that? Make sure you understand it. If you have any questions, be sure to ask me.
There's
Yeah.
no defendant in the. I'm the defendant in the case. Am I the defendant in the case? There's no victim. There's no victim to my crime, correct? The crime that I'm accused of, there is no victim in the crime.
The state of Kansas, you have drug charges: possession of methamphetamine, possession of paraphernalia, and driving while suspended are your 3 charges.
Okay, But seriously, if this guy was actually mentally off, he would have taken the free public defender instead of turning court into open mic night. He literally looked the judge dead in the eyes and asked if he was the defendant. Like, come on, bro. He's been talking nonsense since minute one, yet still signs the form saying he understands the risks of representing himself. That tells me he knows exactly what he's doing. Classic sovereign citizen move. Act confused, dodge accountability, but still try to control the game. Let me know below. Is he lost or just testing how much the court will tolerate? Let's roll the next clip.
I'm not sure I understand your question and what that has to do with your waiver of counsel.
Well, I'm the defendant. There must be someone making a claim
The state of Kansas is making the charges against you, Mr. Walker.
the state of Kansas is the victim.
The state of Kansas charged you with these crimes. Do you wish to represent yourself, or do you wish to have an attorney representing you?
I will represent myself.
You've got a waiver of counsel in front of you, correct?
Yes, I suppose so. Why do I need to sign? Why do I need to sign it? Why do I need to sign this?
Because I like to have it documented in the file that you understand that you have a right to have an attorney representing you, and that if you can't afford to hire one, one would be appointed for you. And you understand that, and knowing those rights, you wish to represent yourself. That just documents that for the court file.
What I don't understand is why there is charges against me when there is no victim.
All right, Mr. Walker, I'm not going to play this game this afternoon. I'm going to set this case
Why would play in a game?
in front of me on
I'm asking questions. I'm really asking questions.
October.
Trying to understand.
Mr. Walker, your case is being set on October 10th at 2:30 in front of myself, and that will be done by Zoom. That's the felony preliminary hearing control docket, October 10th at 2:30.
This playing dumb strategy is crashing hard. He's not confusing the system, he's confusing himself. It's like watching someone bring a paper straw to a sword fight. For a second, I almost felt bad, but then I remembered he chose this path. The judge is running out of patience and brain cells. And honestly, the orange jumpsuit says it all. Pretending to be insane isn't saving him now. Instead of fixing his mess, he's just digging deeper. Let's keep watching this meltdown unfold.
Your Honor.
You've got a $10,000 cash or surety bond on that case.
Yeah. I was wondering if I would be able to have access to certain legal things to be able to put my case up.
I believe they've got a law library there at the jail. I'm
Oh,
not
they
sure
do?
what kind of access they provide to you, but you can consult with somebody there at the jail.
Okay.
All right, I'm now going to take up 22 CR 398. This is Judge Webster's case. Looks like you failed to appear in front of her on July 31st. She set a new bond for $6,000 cash or surety. You've already had a first appearance, so I'm going to set this in front of Judge Webster on October 30th at 9 o'clock in the morning. That will be by Zoom, October 30th at 9 o'clock in the morning. So again, your bond is $6,000 cash or surety. Anything else on this case, Ms. Norris?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Your Honor, was the time for court on October 10th for 22 CR 508, was that 2:30?
That's correct.
Just clarifying. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, we'll be in recess. Mr. Walker, you.
Yeah, it's safe to say this guy's next big destination is a cold cell and a bright orange wardrobe. The free attorney could have helped him, but nope. Apparently real legal advice isn't part of the sovereign citizen rulebook. These people genuinely think saying, "I don't recognize your authority," is a winning move. Like, bro, that's not a life hack, that's self-destruction. The court doesn't care about your imaginary republic or made-up laws from Facebook. And here's the wildest part, it never works. Ever. They could Google that and save everyone a headache. Anyway, what do you think? Was he just clueless or running a scam? Drop a comment, hit that like, and subscribe for more courtroom chaos. I'll see you in the next one.